Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today's gonna be an update. You seen in my last video, I had a problem with this thing getting into first gear. And remember, this is the one that sat for 10 years. Only ran a couple times and then it stopped working and I ended up going through the whole thing. What happened was I was debating on whether it was the slipper clutch or the transmission not shifting properly to get into second gear. I went ahead and I adjusted the slipper because it was loose. So I tightened it up all the way and backed it up some. And yeah, let's see if that'll get the shift into second gear. If that doesn't work, we'll try to do some adjustments on it and see how that goes. So as of right now, all I did was tighten up the slipper. Again, let's get this baby going. Okay, well, I'm not out in that parking lot. You guys saw me in the last video. I am out in my backyard. This will be good enough to get it to switch to second gear and continue in the braking process. And after this tank, we should be good to go. Then bring back the starter. Like I said, I didn't mess with any adjustments other than tightening that spur gear. So let's see what happens here. So first we got to power everything on. Okay, here's the transmitter. She got power. Go ahead and turn on the truck. Everything working there. And let's see if we have a hard time starting this thing like we did in the last video. That was kind of strange. See, it's doing that slipping thing again. There we go. She caught that time. I'm going to let her ride. I shouldn't need to choke it. Maybe I'll choke it a little bit. Remember, this is the original glow plug too. I hear something about to happen. There we go. Very good. All right, so all I'm going to do is just let her sit there and idle for a little bit. We'll get her out there and roam it around, and let's see if this fixed the 2-speed transmission issue or the second gear issue. Gonna ride it out there, let it warm up a little bit. Today is 50 degrees out right now is what it's saying. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Just get it a few laps out here. I did bring my heat gun. Which I don't like. Yeah, that thing's burying itself in them leaves. All right, bring it over here and let's see, let's get a feel for it. Oh yeah, she should be warm enough to start getting on her. I'll get a straight array over here and see if we get her to switch into second gear. Oh, did you guys hear that? I think it shifted. You know, with all the noise, I can't tell if she's shifting or not, but if you notice, it ain't high revving like it did before. she's still doing great. See if I can get her to do it. There it goes, guys. So I was right. She was shifting in second. It was just hard to tell with all the rumbling through the leaves. There it is. You hear it? It's like instant. So I'll go slow with it. And then you'll hear it. It shifts, seems like way too early. There it is. Boom. Surely you guys heard that. Nice. The smoke trail that coming from the exhaust is hidden, and she's still running like she was before. You can see the smoke trail. Maybe you can see it out there. So she is shifting a little early. Let me bring her back here, make sure no sticks and stuff. Oh yeah, that'll slow her down a little bit. But hey, we're just out here having fun, right? There we go. All right, now let's see if we can hear it better. Oh, by the way, guys, hit the reverse. Nitro with reverse, dude, that is awesome. Yeah, she's launching that second gear right away. And probably a poppy wheelie on the pavement or on some more higher traction surfaces here, but let's see. Yeah, you can hear the second gear spinning. That's perfect. I can always make adjustments if John, because this is not mine. This is my nephew John's that I'm fixing up for him, and it seems like she's doing all right. But here's your reverse again, John. And here's your forward. She got plenty of power. You guys see that? Man, that's cool. Let me go do that again. I'll bring it back over here. All right, let's see if it'll do that wheelie again. Let me back it up a little bit. Yeah, when it hits second gear, it wants to raise the front end up. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think she's set pretty well. And if, John, you want me to switch it up, you want it to shift later, I could do that. I wouldn't go any earlier. So yeah, let's get a motor temp on this. Oh, I hate this thing. 122, 131. Yeah, this thing is junk, guys. I need a new heat thing. But I can tell you right now, if she was overheating, it would already done evaporated fuel out the carb and all that. You can see the nice thing. You can touch the motor, it's fine. Oh, let it load up a little too much because she is on the rich side, guys. So what I want to do here, this is perfect timing. Being that it just shut itself off, let's see if it's warm, if it'll start right back up with this starter. And this is my starter here, I believe. Yeah, this one's mine. Nope. It might go a little bit easier there. So what do you guys' thought on this, man? Oh, now you heard that. Surely you heard that second gear kick in that time. God, this thing is really ripping now. Oh, well, at least it was in the leaves, not like the last one when I did my Revo. The green one anyway, when I flipped it in the gravel. All right, guys. Right there, about a half a tank of fuel. I don't know, I think I'm going to leave it like this for a while, guys. I think I'm going to leave it like this. So I'm going to clean up these leaves a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, guys. What are your thoughts on this thing, man? Ain't that incredible how it sat for all them years and was able to do, you know, like I said before, I'm gonna turn off the radio. Like I said before, yeah, this thing sat for 10 years and just had to clean it up and go through everything. And at the end of this video, I'll show you some pictures of what it looked like before. And as you already seen the after, and she's shifting great. Maybe a little too early for me, but that could be good for maybe John. And we'll see how his driving style is, and it's nothing to tune that transmission. So basically, the slipper was slipping that whole time. I should have checked that before I brought it out the first time. Yeah, super excited, guys. Super excited. So stay tuned to the next video when I bring out the USA 1. I already ran 5 tanks for the break-in on that one I mentioned in the last video. I want to get that out here and run it. I'm curious to see how that thing handles. And I'll be honest, that thing breaking in ran the coolest or the most smoothest than any of the Traxxas 3.3s I've ever done. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. Liking the video helps it out to get the video out, which would be a good thing, especially for you nitro enthusiasts. I know I am. I'm sold. So you guys know I have a lot of brushless systems. I am going to work on probably matching it with all the nitro stuff. And yes, I do pay for all my stuff that I have. I do pay with my own money. I'm addicted to this RC world. There's a lot of people that are, a lot of people that aren't. Fortunately, I go overboard. I've been doing this for over nearly 45 years doing this stuff. So, okay guys, again, subscribe, like, and have a great day.